Hello there. You are invited to join the OMAIL ecosystem. OMAIL ecosystem brings you the future of Internet, with intelligent solutions designed to meet your digital needs.
Welcome to OMAIL. Let me walk you through this advanced email platform and everything it has to offer. Compose emails without typing a word using the speech-to-text feature. You can also send immersive video emails with just a click.
Moreover, listen to emails on the go with the text-to-speech feature.
And secure your data by adding emails to password-protected folders.
You can also personalize your inbox and add email addresses to the contact trash to stop receiving their emails.
Simplify email communication with OMAIL and send your first OMAIL today.
Register now by clicking the link below.